Industrial Products introduce the new range of hydraulic hose fittings, swaging, crimping adjust replaceable components of a pressurized fluid system, steam, hydraulic oil, chemicals, water, and even food or beverages. We fulfill your needs with pinpoint accuracy. Our engineers closely follow the standards defined by UK, USA, Germany and Japan. You can leave your worries behind and expect unmatched precision and durability. The carbon steel and stainless steel used in our factories are certified for the composition and match your requirements. The testing standards defined for each component are now followed carefully, and a report can be issued for your satisfaction. At Boss, we believe our customer is part of our sales team because together we can succeed and reach our goals.